1.
Create 3D mesh. Pick a thing. Rig slots. Add. Name it. Warehouse. Rig. Bones. Select your rig. Copy name hash. Model LOD. Edit items. Fong. Bones. Copy. Paste hash. OK. Bind pose bones. Copy. Paste. We only do this for the model LODs that contain a Fong, not the shadow map. Model LODs. Medium and or low detail if you have it. Then repeat. Export mesh.
2.
In Blender, add your object. Select original, then yours. Transfer weights. On ridge, delete mesh. Select yours. Select original. Join. Edit mode. Keep UVs. Select an area on your thing. Select your joint. Assign. On transform bone, remove. Blue is unassigned, red is assigned. Pick a spot. In the side tab, locate 3D cursor details. Copy the important ones and save it. To test, pose. Select your joint, move it.
3.
Re-import. Rig slots. On your joint, paste 3D cursor deets. Check it out. Renumber rig and resync. Export mesh. Save this as your new base. Open. Delete mesh_zeros verts. Join. Save as shadow. Then re-import shadow. Done. This is going to be super helpful for the next tutorial in making animated objects on an interaction. Or another interaction. I know I've already got one, but you'll see what I mean when we get there. Stay tuned.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.